Hi, my name is Asier from Social Setter, and today I want to give you 3 tips to get your colleagues to share your content and interact with it. My first tip is that you lead by example. There is not a single campaign that I share with my colleagues and ask them to share it that I don't share on my own social media as well. Because if I'm asking them to do that and I don't do it myself, why should they? My second tip is that you share the results of your campaigns with your colleagues regularly. For example, at the end of every month, I send them a few screenshots with our best results so that they can see what's the impact of our campaigns. My final tip is that you include your colleagues in your content. Either if it's like a picture or a mention or a funny video, if your colleagues see that they appear in your content, they will feel more engaged with it and more likely to share it in their social media networks. For more tips, follow us on social media.